Okay, I'm gonna do this deal right here. I'm at Walgreens, and it's when you buy 3 or more participating Crest or ORV, you get a $5 register reward. I got 3 already. There's my 3. So after I have a 5 off 3 digital that's gonna come off. So I'm gonna pay $5.50 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $5 register reward, which means these will be 50 cents for 3. That's a great deal. Then I'm gonna do this deal right here. It's when you buy 3 or more of the Olay body wash, you get a $5 registry reward. I have a 5 off 3 digital that's gonna come off, so that's gonna be $16. But I'm gonna roll my registry reward from here to pay for there. So I'm gonna pay 11 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $5 registry rewards, which means these 3 right here would be $6. So that ain't bad. So let's check out. Okay, I finally made it to Walgreens. I'm at home now. So I started with 0 register rewards. These are $3.50 a piece, and as you seen in the video, Walgreens have it when you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward back. I had a 5 off 3 that came off, and I paid $5.50 out of pocket, but I got back the $5 in register rewards, so that made these 50 cents. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the 5 off 3 digital that came off and the $5.50 subtotal that I paid out of pocket. But I got back that $5 in registered reward, which I rolled into my next transaction. Alright, here's my second transaction that I rolled the registered reward from the Oral-B toothbrushes. These are $7 a piece. I bought 3, and Walgreens have it when I showed you in the video. When you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward back. So the 5 off 3 came off, and the $5 registry reward that I rolled onto it. So let's look at my receipt. Alright, here's my receipt. You see the 5 off 3 digital and the $5 registry reward. My subtotal was $11, but I didn't pay that because I rolled $5 in WAG cash, as you can see down here. So with tax, I paid $18 out of pocket for 3 of these big body washes. You can't beat that. And I got my $5 registry reward back, but I rolled it until the last transaction. Alright, here's my last transaction. Walgreens have these little small 21 loads, $4.99, and it's buy one, get one free. So I didn't have any digitals, but I rolled the $5 registry reward from the Olay onto here. But I had to add a caramel to it because it was $4.99, not the $5. So I did that, and I paid 49 cents out of pocket. 49 cents. Let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. See, my subtotal is 49 cents. With tax, I paid $1. So you cannot beat that. I haven't been to Walgreens in a minute. So they did me right this time. They did me right. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all have a blessed day. Get out and do some deals if you can. Until the next video, fam. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.